Do you know how to get free traffic? Do you? Do you know how to get free traffic? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain how you can get free traffic, not even cost you a dime, all free, works worldwide. You can make so much money doing this. It's insane. And I have a quick joke for you. You want to know what the joke is? You want to know what the joke is? After doing some DIY projects around the house, I have a new motto. Do your best to do things right the first few times. Boom! That is not a joke. I'm so sorry, but that's the funny part because it was something got mixed up. Okay, here's the joke. What did one blade of grass say to the other about the lack of rain? I guess we'll just have to make do. I guess we'll just have to make do. That's a good joke, isn't it? Okay, ha ha ha, very funny. Okay, moving on. How do you get free traffic now? Just so you know, I probably shouldn't be revealing this stuff, so stay tuned if you really want to know some stuff that I shouldn't reveal. But anyway, I'm going to do it anyway, and very powerful. So, are you doing any free traffic methods, bro? If you are, maybe I can help out here. If you're not, understand free traffic is definitely powerful if you stick with it over time. Okay, so what it means is basically you're leveraging organic traffic or social traffic. Social traffic's interruption marketing. It's important just because it gets in front of people, and it also can last a long time, and can get suggested to people on those certain platforms of social media. Are you on social media? Do you use social media? If you do, then you know what I'm talking about here. But by the way, get rid of all distractions. Okay, put on some glasses or something to focus, and stand up and grab your computer and look at it. Okay, so now that I got your attention here, let's keep going. And the other thing is search traffic. So search traffic is when people are deliberately searching, looking for your thing. Now, when you do reviews of a certain product in affiliate marketing or something like that, people are searching for reviews all the time for every product out there. So you can show up easily if you have enough content around that review or product. Okay, so that's really an effective way to leverage free traffic for affiliate marketing. Just doing a bunch of reviews. So that's the first tip I'd want to give to you guys, because no one wants to reveal it. But literally, if you did review videos all day for different affiliate offers, you can literally make a good living. Okay, they'll last forever. Their reviews, everything. When you add bonuses to what you're reviewing, it's also powerful to get people to take action on the thing. Now, you can repurpose your content to be also an article, or repurpose your article for a video. So video and article go hand in hand. You should leverage it for YouTube and also doing a blog. Very powerful. Okay. How do I get free affiliate traffic? The key is you got to pick platforms or one platform and make content on that platform for that affiliate offer you're promoting, whatever niche it is in. Okay. You do SEO, keyword SEO, you do spying on different competitors who are in the niche and their best content. You can model their best content, so you can start off right off the bat with stuff that might really, really work well. And you do your best. Now, what is content you like to consume? That is something you should ask yourself, because that's what you should create. Content you like to consume is entertaining or very educating. So be very entertaining and educating. Look, I'm going to do another joke. Ready? You ready? What lies at the bottom of the ocean and twitches? A nervous wreck. Why should you visit an explosive wig shop? It's too high a price. Whatever that says. Okay, what else do we have here? Don't interrupt someone working intently on a puzzle. Chances are you'll hear some crosswords. Okay, so moving on here. This person says YouTube is a great free traffic, which it totally is. If you haven't noticed, like most of my efforts that you see right here from the personal brand, it's just YouTube, like not on other platforms. Same with my other free traffic methods I do in my other affiliate marketing, which is mainly sweepstakes I do with free traffic. I have just focused on, a YouTube channel, no Instagram, no Facebook for it, not even for this channel. And these are free methods I'm doing. Now, when I do paid ads, I go and use Facebook, which is also owns Instagram. So I do both those. I do YouTube traffic and I do adult traffic. And I also do sometimes I'll do push traffic. Okay. And there's new platforms that you can leverage, and also very underutilized platforms like Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, and you can leverage these. But think about it from this standpoint. Google and Facebook own all the traffic and they have everyone there. So you might as well leverage those, okay? And then obviously, once again, adult is very powerful as well because it's so cheap. There's tons of people, there's tons of traffic, billions per day, and you can take advantage of that. I have a course about that. That's by far one of the best ways to get free traffic because it's essentially free because it's so cheap, okay? And you can monetize it if you know how. I have a course about that, and it's extremely powerful. People are loving it. Literally, just ask people. They are freaking loving it. I get comments like all the time about them. Okay, people inside the courses. So you can drive in different ways. This looks good. That this person said you can do SEO. You can do social book marketing, which is basically social traffic. You can do social networking. You can do banner ads. You can do traffic exchanges, viral mailers. You can do forums. Most of what he said, I wouldn't recommend, other than the social and the SEO, like I've already mentioned. Like that's how you would get free traffic, okay, and a lot of it. Okay, as a beginner, worldwide, for free, you can get a ton of free traffic. Now, the problem, once again, is people don't make content people want to watch. They'll do very boring content or auto-generated content for their affiliate business. Like you need to be creating the content, okay, or you need to hire someone who's really good at it. And you need to be consistent if you're going to do this free traffic method, okay? And when you're ready to do paid ads, you can boost it through the roof, okay? And that's very important. So when you're ready to do paid ads, you can boost it through the roof, okay? Very, very important. How do you make paid ads work? You have a lot of offers. You have cash to reinvest. You have maybe a specific offer every time you make a commission from it. All that money goes to paid ads, we'll say, just to grow bigger and bigger and bigger, okay? Now, one of the best ways to confidently spend money on ads, I've said this several times, it's a very, very big secret. Okay, I shouldn't reveal this. Oh man, I shouldn't reveal this. High ticket. You got to put something high ticket within your whole entire system of what you're doing because you're going to confidently spend money on ads. So if you have, let's say, $1,000 or maybe a $10,000 thing, most likely you wouldn't have a $10,000 thing. It depends on the niche. Now, let's say if you have a $1,000 high ticket thing in whatever niche it is you're in, you can spend $1,000 on ads. If you get one sale, you break even there, but then you have a ton of other offers that you get conversions on, you make money, okay? That's how you make paid ads work really, really well. Also, you have to understand psychology, how to convert, how to get traffic, how to actually get clicks on your ads to stuff, and very important, okay? At the end of the day, imagine if you had 1,000 pieces of content for your niche on every platform. No, like seriously, imagine that, dude. If you had 1,000 YouTube videos that were good for your niche you're in, let's say the health niche, and what if it was entertaining content? Then you'd blow up because entertaining content at the end of the day gets the most views. Okay, so what if you had that and you promoted like sweepstake offers? Okay, that's powerful. You'd make a lot of money. Okay, and then you had 1,000 pieces of content on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, freaking Twitter. By the way, you can repurpose your content across all the way. So you just make 1,000 pieces of content. Okay, let's say they're all over 10 minutes, which would be crazy good. Okay, to have that much content. Just so you know, that's insane. That'll happen over time. For me, I'm sure, and for you, I'm sure, if you stick with one niche. Okay. So I'm in the entertainment niche on one channel, and I'm in this niche, personal brand, in this channel. Okay, and then I do paid ads on the side, running campaigns for all sorts of different niches, different offers, and everything. Okay, and by the way, it's very, very nice to have something long term that is free traffic. Okay, I'm just going to tell you right now, it's very, very nice. Okay, because you won't have to spend time building a campaign, building it out, and then when you don't have a campaign, you wouldn't be making money. Okay, now I have campaigns that have been running for a long, long time. Okay, for literally, I have one that's been running for years, and I have quite a few that have been running for months and months and months so far. Okay, and sometimes you'll build a campaign and you can scale it up for 1 month like crazy, and then it'll go to break even, and then you can make a change if you choose, or you can just make it die down and you can change the creative and then run it again. Okay, so that's kind of how that works, but that's paid ads. We're talking right now about how you can, crush it with free. And I think I pretty much covered how to crush it for free, okay, with free traffic. Okay, so here you go. that is the video. Check out more videos. I got a lot of more videos for this channel here, and you can learn and discover a lot of more secrets here. And if you want to get into the paid information, highly recommend it. It's very, very powerful. Okay, so I will see you in some more videos. Peace